Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and then select this application and click install. Now you can click open. And now you can click this button to skip introduction, and then you can click not now, then click open permissions, and now click on AI assistant, and here you can allow this app to display over other app, then click back and click back again. Now click start, and as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.